get through the tolls and all. Go. Yeah, and I haven't really pushed it all the way because you just can't do it. But it really does want to sort of go, and if you slow down and accelerate hard, you know, you can tell then. Say you're on the freeway and you need to overtake someone, you know, and there's no real lag there.
Yeah.
It goes straight away. So, see, and then all of a sudden you're at 120 k's an hour, and you need to slow down again. So, it's definitely one. Transmission was one of them. So.
Yeah, I would have thought the Benz transmission would be better than most.